Okay. So good afternoon all dear students and welcome to the virtual class. Today we will see a new lesson in English, that is the Paramvir Chakra. Okay. Now, soldiers are play very important role in our day-to-day life because they protect us, they fight for us in the boundaries of the country and they protect our country. So, while honor them, while appreciating their work, will give us such kinds of award. And here we will have a one award information in this lesson, and that is the Paramvir Chakra Award. Paramvir Chakra Award is an India's highest military decoration. It is awarded for the most conspicuous bravery or some daring preeminent act of valor, or Thor's soldier who self-sacrifice their life in the presence of the enemy, and very bravely they face towards the enemy, whether on land, at sea, or in the sea. So the Paravin Chakra Award is present towards the soldier to honor them, to appreciate their bravely work. To those who are very conspicuous bravely. Conspicuous, that means something that attract attention, something that work who attract by the people. Okay. Preeminated, that means outstanding act of brave. Outstanding act of brave. They shows their braveness, great courage. So for those soldiers, a government give them a award as an honor, and that is the award is Paramvir Chakra. Perhaps there are so many awards to honor to the soldier, but in this lesson we will learn about the Paramvir Chakra Award. Okay. Now, soldiers who are from land army soldiers, okay, who are land army soldiers, okay, and there are other soldiers, air force soldiers, okay, land air force, and the soldiers who fight for us by the sea. Okay, so you can say there are the three-way soldiers who protect us: land, army soldier, air force, and by the sea. The soldiers are there who fight for us and protect us. Okay, now this Paramvir Chakra award is very rarely honored to the soldiers. Okay, so far it has been awarded only 21 times. How many times? Only 21 times this award is given to the soldiers. Okay, and in that 14 of this award were given posthumously. Now what is this posthumously? Posthumously, that means award is published after a soldier death. Award is published after the soldier death. Okay, so total 21 awards is still published, and in that 14 awards are posthumously. That means award is published after the death of the soldier. Okay, so this is about the Paramvir Chakra award and how many soldiers get this award. Here we have the list, okay, with the pictures of the soldiers. This soldiers, 21 soldiers are there, and in that 14 soldiers are posthumously. Okay, and we have a one story also of one soldiers, that is Nirmaljit Singh Sekhon. Okay, we have one story in this lesson, a bravest story of the brave Air Force soldier. Okay, that we will see later on. All right, so this is the picture of the 21 soldiers who fought for us, who sacrificed their life for us, and they get Paravir Chakra Award. Okay, come to the next. So students, these are the others awards I want to show you. These are the others award to given to the soldiers. As you can see in this picture, there are many awards. But in this lesson, we are talk about only the Paramvir Chakra award. Okay. Now let us see who designed this Paramvir Chakra award. So here is the very respectable lady is is here that her name is Savitri Bai Khanolkar. Okay, so this award designed by Savitri Bai Khanolkar. She actually was a European lady. She's actually was a European lady, but she married with the Vikram Khanorkar, who was a great bravest soldier. Okay, after her marriage, she lived in India. She was spoken in Marathi and Hindi language very well, very nicely. She is very much fond of Indian traditional cultures, rituals, and arts. Okay, and she's designed this Paramir Chakra award. Alright, so this is the information about the Savitri Bai Khanolkar, which was belongs to the European country, but after the marriage, she's belongs to Indian family. Okay, after the marriage with Vikram Khanolkar, and Vikram Khanolkar is also a bravest soldier. Okay, now let us see how she designed. Okay, and which things is assembled, which thing is required to symbol to maintain this award. Okay, now see this information about the award. First of all, this award is made by bronze. As you can see here, this award is made by the bronze. Okay, bronze medal, and in that national emblem symbol is attached over there. Okay, now Indra Virja symbols and Paravir Chakra award. This words is engraved in this Paravir Chakra award. Okay, now engraved means what? Engraved means that text or to cut words or design on the metal. That means that the word we have to text, okay, on the hard object like a metal. So that things we are called engraved. Okay, and in this award you can observe the symbol of national emblem as well as Indra Virja. Okay, Indravarch, the symbols. National emblem, everyone knows that this is the symbol of our country. Now, what is the Indravarch? This is also a symbol of sacrifices, supreme sacrifices. Behind that, that is a very great story, a brave story that I will explain you after this. Okay, and in this award, Indra Virja Paramvir Chakra, this words is written over there. That means engraved is there, Hindi as well as the English language. In between of the lotus, in between of the lotus, it is mentioned over there. All right. Now, now as I told you about the Indra Vraj, okay. So let us know about the in detail about Indravarch. Okay. Now Indravarch is a matchless weapon. Is a one kind of weapon, and it was a matchless weapon by the supreme sacrifices of sage Dadhiji. Now, what is the sage? Sage means sant, a sant person. It is called sage. Okay. So, Indravarja is weapon is made by the sacrifices of sage Dadhiji. So, that's the reason it's reflected the sacrifices, the supreme sacrifices. So that's the reason the Indravraj weapon symbol is engraved in the award of Paramvir Chakra. Okay, now let us see what is in detail about Indravraj. Now, Indravraj, or you can say a thunderbolt. This symbol is can say Indravarj or the thunderbolt. Thunderbolt means what? A flash of lightning with a thunder that strikes at something. A flash of lightning. Mostly in a raining season, you can observe so many times flash of lightnings. You can observe in a cloud. Okay, so this Indravarj or you can say thunderbolt is supposed to be a matchless weapon. This weapon is a invincible. Invincible, that means impossible to defeat. Impossible to defeat this weapon. Behind this, there is a story about the supreme sacrifices of Sage Dadiji. Okay. Now, what is the story? Thousands of years ago, a demon, that means an evil spirit. Demon means what? An evil spirit. An evil spirit had stolen all the water in the world. Okay, so all the innocent people were suffering and dying without the water. Because, as you know, students, water is a life. Without water, we cannot survive our life. Okay, so people are start dying. Demon could not defeat by any other ordinary weapon. It is difficult to defeat the demon, that means an evil spirit. Ordinary weapon like a wood, metal, etc. It is impossible to defeat to demon. Something need extraordinary was required then after was required to kill to the demon. Okay, so after searching lots of things, people come to know that the sage Dadiji bones had extraordinary. For the peoples know that the sage Dadiji bones are extraordinary, and with the help of his bone itself, that they can defeat that demon. Only the sage Dadiji's bones. Otherwise, it is not possible to defeat the demon, that means an evil spirit. But people cannot ask him for his bones, because that means if he ask him his bones, so that means they are asking him, a live person, to lay down their life. So that means the sage Dadiji have to be dead, and after his death they will get his bone. So they cannot ask a live person for the bones as a weapon. But Sage Dadiji was a noble and a kind person, and he is ready for lay down himself his life and gave his own bones. So he is ready for the death and gave his own bones to help the innocent people. Okay, to help the innocent people. That weapon is a Indra Vajra weapon. After the death of Dadiji, they take the bones, and after that bone they make a weapon, and that weapon name is Indravarja, or you can say a thunder bolt, or you can say a thunderbolt. So with the help of that weapon, peoples are success to defeat to the demon. At last they get a success. They defeat to the demon, that means an evil spirit, and they get the success, so they get their water back. That means the people get the water, their life back. But how they get? Because of the supreme sacrifices of the sage Dadiji. Then after they get the water. So this Indravarja, it shows the supreme sacrifices of sage Dadiji, same as our soldiers are self-sacrifices their life, even their family also, and they die just to protect us and just to protect our country from the enemy. So Indravarja is a symbol of the sacrifices, courage, braveness. So that's the reason Indravarja symbol is engraved in the Paramvir Chakra award. Okay. Now here, see students, this is the list 21 bravest of the Brave Paramvir Chakra Award. These are the list students. 21 bravest soldiers are there, and in that 14 posthumously, which I already explained you. Posthumously, that means award published by the death of the soldier. Okay, but in this list we have a one person story mentioned over here, and that person name is Flying Officer Nirmaljit Singh Sekhon. Her story is mentioned over here. a brave story how he was fight with the enemies. So let me see the story now. So this is a real picture and it is mentioned in your book also. The flying officer Nirmaljit Sekhon. Okay. Now this on the 14th of December 1971, Srinagar airfield was attacked by the six enemy. Is attacked by the six enemy. So there is a field airfield and that was attacked by the six enemy aircraft as you can see in the pictures. So they are attacked. Flying officer Nirmaljit Singh Sekhon was on duty and he could not take off immediately. He also flying over the sky and he could not take off just because of cloud dust raised and the enemies are captured to all the animals are captured to the Nirmaljit Sekhon. So he could not take off immediately by another aircraft. All the enemy's aircraft were overheaded and they were start attacking towards the Nirmaljit Sekhon. They start firing, attacking the airfield with bombs. He damaged two of them. Nirmaljit Singh Sekhon is also start attacking and he also damaged at least two aircraft and one by one he started to damage all the six enemies. Okay, at last the enemy's aircraft escaped from the sense of battle. With the presence of mind and the sense of battle, they success to escape the six enemy. The airfield and the town of Srinagar were saved. Were saved. But alas, flying officer Sekhon aircraft crushed and he was killed because he also fight over there. He escaped all the six enemies. He defeat all the six enemies. But Nirmaljit Singh Sekhon cannot survive. At last he also killed. Flying Officer Second displayed a great flying and determination. He showed unmatched heroism and beyond the call of duty. Salute to the bravest of the brave flying officer Nirmaljit Singh Second because he fight bravely and the presence of mind in front of the enemies. Okay, but at last he cannot survive the life he also killed. So this is a one brave story of the brave soldier that is the Nirmal Singh Sekhon. There are more bravest real story of the soldier. If you want to get that information, so you have to go in the internet and go in a website that is www.paramvirchakra.com. Okay, when you go in that website which is already given a detailed information in your book also, so in that you will get a great information about the award also and the soldier also who get this award and their bravest story also. The full information you will get in this website. As we have the one bravest story in our book, if you go in that website, you will collect so many bravest story which inspire you. And then after you come to know the fact and reality that how the soldiers sacrifices their life just to protect the common people. They sacrifice not only their life but their family also and they fight in the boundaries of the country just to protect our common people and their country. Okay, so this is the lesson Paramvir Chakra Award, students. Okay, I hope you understand the lesson. Okay,